Climate change hasn't affected any biome on Earth more than it has transformed the oceans, lakes, rivers, and other reservoirs of water. It is no secret that climate change has caused the temperature of the planet to rise. Since the water is heating up, it causes the molecules to expand, creating a larger volume of water, making the sea levels rise. Climate change is also causing glaciers and ice to melt, adding more water to the oceans and causing them to rise even more. This extreme sea level rise is hurting the coastal cities most. Miami is one city that is being pressured the most by rising sea levels. Miami is located on the southern coast of Florida and is surrounded by water to the east and engulfed by the wet, swampy Everglades to the west. Changes in sea level will be a major issue in the next few decades for citizens of Miami. The Miami-Dade County area has an exposed population of about 2 million people. By the 2070s, it is expected that Miami will have an exposed population of around 4 million people. Many residents of Miami fear that the high tides because it causes flooding to come all the way to their front door. The citizens know that it will get worse, and there is not much they can do to stop the inevitable influx of water. Some people cannot take a shower because dirty water flows up the drain. If global temperatures rise by 2 degrees Celsius by 2100, all of Florida south of Coastal Springs will be underwater. This is not an unlikely situation. There are some solutions the city of Miami is working on. After Hurricane Katrina, the government of New Orleans reached out to Dutch engineers because they are some of the best at protecting their cities from rising sea levels due to most of the Netherlands being below sea level. Miami's government is also looking into receiving help from the European nation. Miami is also installing many pumps that keep water out of portions of the city that are prone to flooding. As of April 2018, 30 pumps have been built out of 90 total pumps. In addition to the pumps, the city has also installed many water treatment facilities so that it is not sewage water that is flooding from the bay. The rise in sea levels was caused by many different aspects of climate change. Unfortunately, there are many port cities around the world that are facing the heavy consequences.